Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're gonna be changing radiators on this Scania S450. It's been hit in the front here and it punched the radiator, and intercooler is snapped the lug off intercooler, and the radiator lost the water. So I'm gonna show you how nice and easy it is to take these radiators out from basically this way. Because you take this bar off and you strip it and you take this radiators pack to the front, and I'm gonna just crack on and swap, not swap, but take all the front off. Anyway, it was that's all busted, that grille, corner bumper and central bumper, and we're gonna strip it and I'll show you how it's done. So let's do it. Right, we're ready. Everything done. Let's go for it. Still rolling. Yeah, that's it. There's no one top, one bottom.
What about water pipe?
Water pipe is this side. No, water pipe that side.
Try a little bar.
Yeah, get a little bar. Under it. Here we go. Here we go. It's just heavy, isn't it? Right guys, the old rad pack is all built up, everything brand new, because the old one is definitely toast. That radiator, you can see how bent that is on the bottom, like a banana, and it had a split in there somewhere, definitely dented. And when you look from the top, you can see definitely got the curve, and it's not sitting straight. Let me try to put it. Yeah, it's not sitting straight, you can tell. The same, this intercooler, it's bent, not sitting straight, and it's got that lug missing down the bottom as well. So we've got a new condenser, is okay, and I've ordered a new headlamp because the headlamp was snapped off that pin, and them pins are a nightmare because that stainless steel pin goes into the alley, and we all know that from DAF's 105s. The stainless don't go in the alley, or it only goes once, and that's it, and it's very hard to take it off. It corroded very easy and quick. I've got them new brackets there. That hinge is injured, is touching that, and that little bracket there, it's easy to change when the rad is off. Then as soon as I change this, we can put the rads in, lubricate them pipes, because them pipes are sometimes, when they put on dry, very hard to put them on. You have to lubricate them to put them in. Then part of that, everything goes to plan. Just a new headlight coming and bumper center still on order. So let's crack on with it. Right guys, we're all done on this one. Nice and easy job. And just a number plate to put on. Chris already been gassed it all up, everything's been checked and tested and pretty much ready to go. And this one's definitely going to be the next job, which I showed you earlier. That corner was destroyed there. I pretty much already got figured out, just a few bits and bobs waiting, and the cap is just being painted. And I'm just going to put a cap on and plug it all in, check for the leaks, air leaks if we've got any. And guys, we are looking for an experienced body repair person. So if you're that guy and you would like to join our team, please give us a ring. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.